Welcome to my day in a life. It's a beautiful, peaceful morning, trust me. So I like to lay my bed first before anything else. It just gives me a relaxing state of mind. An organized space sets a tone and mood for your day. So I have to put on my sweater since it's a chilly morning. Hello amazing people, it's your girl Blake and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm doing a day in my life, like you saw in the beginning. When you see a day in my life, just know vlogs are coming. So let's get ready. A good prayer equals a good day, so I wrote down my prayers that I usually recite to help me throughout the day. So I'm just taking my time to pray to God. So I'm just going to clean up my teeth before I go and clean up my space. I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I'm brushing my teeth in the morning, I feel so calm to think about how my day is going to be. Begins with just opening up the windows just to make sure that fresh air is coming into the house. Specifically today I didn't have a lot of things to do, like washing utensils. I did that last night. So today I was a bit hesitant about doing this vlog, but anyway I say to myself, you have to do it. Guys, it gets boring at times when you're doing one thing for your channel, so I want to get out of my comfort zone and also do vlogs. So this December I'm hoping and I'm praying for that. When I'm done cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and have my tea before I can go and do my makeup. For tea is just some bread with some black tea. I'm just going to have my tea while listening to some music. So I just finished doing my hair and also taking a bath. So right now I'm going to do a makeup look for my Instagram, but I can't show you the process since I use my phone to film. So I'll get back to you when I'm done.
2 hours later.
I'm done with my makeup. So I'm going to proceed with my day. After this, right now I'm going to go down to the shops to buy saris, and I just wrote them down. So I'll come back and show you guys what I bought. So let's go. So this is what it's like to stay away, stay far from town, waking up to this green every single day. How often do you see a banana plantation? So finally I'm here, and my first stop, I first went to get my memory card I bought, but I had not picked it up from the person I bought it from. And I really needed a memory card for my storage since I use my phone to film most of my videos, or all of my videos. Mpaka 2:5. I just bought some Romexes for lunch. Let me know in the comments if you've tasted Alex, because welcome to my world. I just love them. This is what I bought. I'm going to show you everything when I'm at home.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is what I bought. These are Rolexes. This is one mine, one for mom. Some maize, some tomatoes and matoke. I also bought some bread, some peanuts, and tea leaves. So this is all I bought. So guys, I'm just going to cook this meat like as sauce for supper. So I'm just going to put my meat and salt, then I let it steam for about 30 minutes before I move on to the frying. And gone are the days when I used to hate cooking. Oh my god, I used to hate cooking. But I love good food, so I have to learn how to cook. That's what I say to myself. So we've come to the end of our vlog. I'm just going to have my dinner, and that's it for our day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.